Hello, so this is the unboxing video for the Apple Vision Pro that I just got. Let's see what's inside this box. By the way, this is the first time I'm doing any kind of unboxing videos. Just stay tuned. Okay, the box, inside the box. Let's see what inside that box. There. So here is the new spatial computing box. Let's peel that off. And hopefully we will be able to take this. Yeah, so here is it. Here it is. Yeah, this will be just the unboxing video. I'm not sure I will be able to record anything else right now until I set up the device and everything, but let's see. So here is the shiny screen of this device. Let's put it here. Let's see what's inside the box. We already saw a couple of unboxing videos from the guys, but it's interesting to see what's here. Okay, there is a cloth to clean the device. By the way, it also says Vision Pro. As everybody said, there are no special Apple stickers for Apple Vision Pro. There should be another light seal cushion, which I think should be either smaller or bigger. I'm not sure. We will see later on. So that will be the next end. There's another band for the Vision Pro, and here is the battery, as well as a charging brick and charging cable. Okay, so that's it. Let's just maybe take it off and okay. So this thing is attached magnetically, and let's see how it will. Okay, I need to loosen up a little bit. So here is how I will look like in this particular thing. Probably I might need to swap the light seals because they are not fitting up perfectly for me here. We'll see. And that's it for the unboxing. Now I need to set this thing up, and yeah, we'll see how it will work. Thank you.